Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious snack or side dish, you're going to love today's recipe. We're making easy hummus at home, a creamy protein-packed dip that's super simple to whip up in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, add more plant-based protein to your meals, or just want something tasty to spread on toast or dip your veggies in, this easy hummus recipe is the perfect solution. Best of all, no fancy ingredients. And guess what? This version is kid approved and doesn't include lemon juice, so it's great for little taste buds too. All right, let's talk ingredients. Here's what you'll need for this easy hummus recipe. 1 cup cooked chickpeas, canned or home-boiled, totally up to you. 1.5 tablespoons of tahini, that's sesame seed paste, and it adds that classic nutty flavor. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, optional. I'm skipping it today because my kids prefer it without. 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. You can adjust based on how garlicky you like it. Salt to taste. 2 to 3 ice cubes. Trust me, this trick makes the hummus extra smooth and creamy. And for garnishing, a few extra chickpeas. A drizzle of olive oil. Fresh parsley. Optional, but adds great color and freshness. Let's get blending. Step 1. Prep your blender or food processor. Add in your cooked chickpeas. If you're using canned, give them a quick rinse under cold water to get rid of that tinny taste and excess salt. Step 2. Add the flavor base. Drop in the tahini, garlic, and olive oil. These are your core flavor builders. Tahini brings a creamy, nutty depth, while garlic adds that punch we all love in hummus. Step 3. Optional, add lemon juice. Now, traditionally, lemon juice is a key part of hummus, but if your kids or guests don't like the tang, feel free to skip it like I'm doing today. You'll still get a beautifully smooth and flavorful hummus. Step 4. Blend. Start blending until the ingredients come together. It might be a bit thick at first, and that's totally okay. Step 5. Add the secret ingredient, ice cubes. Add 2 to 3 ice cubes and blend again. This little trick cools the mixture as it blends, which helps whip it into a smoother, almost fluffy texture. You'll notice the hummus getting creamier and lighter. That's exactly what we want. Step 6. Season and taste. Now add salt to taste. Give it one last pulse and taste it. Adjust garlic, tahini, or salt if needed. You can also add a bit more olive oil or cold water if it's too thick. Once your easy hummus is beautifully blended, transfer it into a bowl or serving dish. Use the back of a spoon to make a little swirl or well in the center. This is where the magic happens. Drizzle some olive oil over the top, drop a few cooked chickpeas for texture, and sprinkle some fresh chopped parsley for color. You can also add a dusting of paprika or cumin if you're feeling fancy. Serve this with warm pita bread, fresh veggie sticks, spread it on sandwiches, or add it to your favorite grain bowls. It's super versatile. So, what makes this easy hummus recipe so special? No lemon? No problem. This version is perfect for picky eaters and still packs all the flavor you need. Kid-friendly and family-approved. Smooth, mild, and nourishing. Quick and easy. You only need a few ingredients and less than 10 minutes to make it. Budget-friendly, way cheaper than store-bought hummus, and you control exactly what goes in. Healthier, no preservatives, no unnecessary oils, just wholesome goodness. Plus, the ice cube trick is a game changer. Once you try this method, you'll never go back to chunky, store-bought hummus again. Want to take your hummus to the next level? Use peeled chickpeas. If you have time, pop the skins off your chickpeas before blending. It takes a bit longer, but gives you an ultra-smooth finish. Roast your garlic. For a milder, sweeter flavor, roast your garlic before adding it. Experiment with flavors. Add roasted red peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, or even a dash of cumin or smoked paprika for a twist. Store it right. Homemade hummus stays fresh in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. If you enjoyed this easy hummus recipe, be sure to check out some of our other quick and healthy recipes. You'll find everything you need to build the ultimate Mediterranean-inspired spread right at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this easy hummus recipe helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you prefer hummus with or without lemon? What's your favorite thing to dip in hummus? Let's chat down below. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your creamy, dreamy, homemade hummus.